Hello my friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to continue on with the madness of the Black Friday Cyber Monday deals that I spent my very hard-earned money on. The problem as I see it is that I subscribed to all of these emails and I was just inundated with email after email with all of these deals, and I just could not stop from clicking on things and going and looking, and the next thing I know I had bought all this stuff and y'all get to enjoy watching me talk about it. Hopefully I won't cry. We'll just see where this goes. The first place that I went to was the e.l.f. website, which e.l.f. is a very affordable drugstore brand. They had some really good deals on their website. A couple of the things that I got were not on sale at all. There weren't many of those. One of the items that I got on their website that was not on sale is this hot chocolate sugar cookie eyeshadow palette. It's super cute. It has 15 pigmented shades in matte, shimmer, and satin finishes. Looks like a very nice palette. I have not tried many of the e.l.f. shadows, so I'm looking forward to giving this a try and seeing how they perform. I had not seen this palette in any of the stores. e.l.f. is a cruelty-free brand, and this palette has a 12-month shelf life. How many of you know what e.l.f. stands for? It stands for eyes, lips, and face. Just a little bit of trivia in case you didn't know. The other item that I got that was not on sale is this Putty blush. I've never tried a Putty blush. This is called Caribbean. It looks like it might be way too deep for me. But from what I understand, these sheer out pretty well. So I'm thinking that it will probably be okay. It's infused with argan oil and vitamin E. And this was $6 on their website. And in case I didn't mention it, the eyeshadow palette was $10. So that looks like it'll sheer out pretty well. It's a very pretty color. I also got the Halo Glow setting powder. Sets makeup and creates a soft focus blurred finish. This was regularly $8 and I got it for $4.80. And this is in the color medium. That's what the color looks like. I also got one of their lipsticks. I've never tried one of the e.l.f. lipsticks. This is Seriously Satin Cider. It's regularly $3 and I got it for $1.80. The packaging is really cute, totally see-through, very creamy. It's definitely a satin, has a nice little sheen to it. And then I got two of their lip exfoliators, one in brown sugar and the other is coconut. It's wintertime, gets very cold in Missouri and my lips get chapped. So I thought this would be good to try. Here's the packaging. This is the brown sugar. Oh, smells like my grandmother's brown sugar pie. And interestingly enough, the packaging is different. This is the brown sugar and this is the coconut. Probably have the same amount of product in it. This is the coconut. It smells like on a beach. They do not have the same amount of product in it. The brown sugar is 3.5 grams and the coconut is 3.3 grams, so not much of a difference. And then I got the liquid metallic eyeshadow. It's called Little Dipper. I've heard good things about this too. I've never used it. I'm not used to using a liquid eyeshadow, but I thought I'd give it a try. It's very cute. Very small. This was $5 and it was not on sale. This is one of the products that was not on sale. It was in a little doe foot. Very creamy and that's very pretty. It's like a rose gold or almost is pink. Looks more pink. And then I had heard a lot of good things about the Primer-Infused blush. So I got 3 of them because, you know, why not? These were $6 a piece on their website. I got them for $3.60 each. They had a lot more color choices than these. This one is always Punchy, always Rosy, and always Earthy because everybody knows that I like those earth tones. Cute, simple packaging. Does not feel powdery at all. Very soft. You really can't see it very well. Apparently the box is kicking my butt because I can't get it out. Always Rosy. That's a pretty color. Very soft. Interested to see how well they perform during the day. It says this long-wearing blush is infused with primer powder to ensure a full day of perfectly placed blush. Use on the days that you know you'll need bulletproof makeup. Blush is easy to blend, perfectly pigmented for the ease of application. Grips your cheeks like second skin. They have primer-infused bronzer too. I didn't get that. I don't know why I didn't get it. This is the Always Punchy. It's a very light pink. I'm not sure about this one, but I'm thinking that that would be good in the summertime. I like to wear pink in the summertime, especially on my toes. I think pink just goes really well with a tan for me. And then because I ordered all of that, they sent me a free gift. It's a Feel Your e.l.f. kit. It retails for $15. It's a poreless putty primer, which is really good. A monochromatic multi-stick, which I believe you can use on your cheeks, eyes, or lips, and a total facial sponge. You know you can never have enough beauty blenders. More packaging to kick my butt. The beauty blender feels nice and soft. Poreless primer, and this cute little monochromatic stick. It's a pretty color. It's very soft, and I rubbed it way too hard on my skin. It's very creamy, and it blends out really nice. And then when I was done on the e.l.f. website, I went to Ulta because, you know, why not? And they were having their sales too, so I picked up a few things that had been on my wish list for a little while that were on sale. I didn't get too much there, but the first thing I got was the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara. I had a sample of this, and I really like it. When it went on sale, I bought one. These retail for $25, and I got it for $10. I really like the brush on this, and it doesn't feel real clumpy on my eyelashes. I really like that. I was glad. I did not want to pay, nor would I have paid $25 for it, so I was glad to see it go on sale so that I could pick that up. This has a 6-month shelf life on it. I'm not sure if Urban Decay is cruelty-free, but I will definitely be checking on that. And then I got a MAC lipstick because I don't have enough lipstick. This one had been on my wish list for quite a while. This is Velvet Teddy. It retails for $19 and I got it for $15. It's very pretty. The MAC lipsticks are very creamy. So I can put that back there with the rest of my MAC collection. Now I hear a lot of people talk about MAC back in the day, and I'm 56 and I don't remember MAC makeup. I guess maybe I'm an anomaly. I don't remember MAC makeup. Maybe we shouldn't talk about that. And then I got this really cute Milani Rose Glow highlighter trio. Pearl, Golden Quartz, and Rose Gold. Because If you have been watching my channel at all, you know that love me some highlighter. Like to get my glow on. So pretty, and I love when they put the texture on the highlighters. Very pretty. Let's see what they look like. Oh my goodness. Those are very pretty. That rose, is it the rose gold? Yes, that rose gold, that's this one up here at the top. It's not something that I would put on my cheeks, but I would definitely use it as a topper on my eyeshadow. This was regularly $12.99 and I got it for $7.79. And then because, you know, you can't have too many highlighters, I got the Milani Baked Highlighter in Dolce Perla. Again, I have heard a lot of people talk about this Milani Baked Highlighter, and so I wanted to try it. This was normally $10.99 and I got it for $6.59. Very subtle, I like that. Just kind of give you a nice glow. I really like the Milani products. And then friends and family, because you really can't have enough highlighters. I got the Catrice Sungasm. This, again, I had had on my wish list for quite some time. It was out of stock forever. I don't believe this was on sale, but it was back in stock. So I ordered it. It was only $10, wasn't very expensive, but holy cow, it's huge. I had no idea that it was this big. It's big as a sandwich. It does say face and body highlighter, so I guess if you're highlighting your body, which I will not be doing, it's bad enough I'm highlighting the wrinkles on my face. It is very pretty, and again, I don't know if you can see the texture that they have on there. I really like that. I think this is going to be, yeah, this looks like it's going to be soft and subtle. No, I don't know. That's pretty blinding. It's pretty though. Yeah. I really like, I like it. My highlighters. The last thing I got on the Ulta website was the IT Cosmetics Complexion Perfection Duo. I got the CC Cream and the Confidence in a Cream. I've never tried CC Cream, so I wanted to give that a try. Normally I use a powdered foundation, so I thought maybe for my mature skin that the CC Cream would look better than a heavy foundation. I think that these are pretty light. Plus it has SPF of 50 in it. I got the medium. This was regularly $42.50 and I got it for $29.75. Nice size tube. I will tell you there's a warning on the back of it though. It's for external use only. So, you know, be careful. It's a color correcting full coverage cream and it has anti-aging serum in it. And from the back of the box, it has not a huge shade range, but it does go from fair to deep. So that's the CC cream, and then the Confidence in a Cream is an anti-aging concentrate. It says 100% said skin will soft, smooth, and infused with moisture. You know, I have to open it up and smell it. Has a very, very, very light smell to it. Absorbs into the skin very nicely. It feels really smooth. It's not greasy feeling. So those are some of the items that I got during the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, which ended up being weeks because they started way early and then it was hurry up, Black Friday today only, and then the next thing I knew I was getting an email, Black Friday has been extended, and I'm like, y'all have got to stop because I can't. But anyway, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. If you're new around here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big old thumbs up. And I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Christopher, your makeup tip is stay away from the computer and emails and sales, Black Fridays and Cyber Mondays, because do you need a big old pan of highlighter like this? If you wore highlighter, this much highlighter on your body, the fish would know you were there. You'd never catch them. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Did I tell you who I was? I don't know. 3 times the charm. That subscription. Nope. 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 Nope.